Again, the website doesn't say very much.
No. Right guys, we're in a little bit of a location. We're down on the river bank, or the canal bank, Todmorden, Hebden Bridge. We're going to go up this little wonky path, as you can well see. Seen better days. I'm going to get up here and have a look, see what's up here. I know what's up here. You guys don't know what's up here. This is a bit of a steep climb, you know, guys. Right. So, got a nice tower up there. Let's have a quick look over this canal. Got a countryside up there. Some lovely buildings. So I'm waiting for this audits to get herself up here. Now I'm going to go have a look. I'm going to go look at this Mitsubishi. Now Mitsubishi, it's not cars, it's a chemical groups. Now there's a guy on the roof somewhere doing some work over the far side.
It does say on the roof there, I don't know if the camera picks it up, Mitsubishi Chemical and Advanced Materials UK. Right there as well.
So what we've got here, look at that gate, how that gate sticks out. So if that breaks, the guys having to fix that, they're going to struggle.
Around the back there are bays and things, which I'm going to go and take a look at with Snoopy. Get Snoopy up, see what we can see from the sky.
It's quite a modern building, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice, nice layout, nice place.
Yeah, right aside at canal, but it's lovely at summer.
Oh yeah.
We've got a smoking shelter down there, a bit of grass downside, but
yeah, and just look at that scenery. That's just absolutely spectacular.
yeah. We're looking over on that side. We've got a lovely tower up there. That must have been some sort of foundry maybe, or a mill. They look like mill buildings converted to houses.
Yeah, apartments and stuff there now. But yeah, it's a lovely neck of the woods, this.
Yeah, it's a nice bit of country. I bet it's cold in winter though. We've got a little stream feeding down on this side, and that bridge, it looks a bit precarious if it breaks out there in that open. I don't know who's got some big ladders.
I've never seen that before, where you've got big sliding gates that's propped up on stilts.
Yeah, look at what I've just found here. What's all this about? That looks like piping.
Yeah, it's a loose pipe in there, isn't it? I can't see any
It's either a loose pipe or it's end of something that's connected. It's just a bit of loose pipe. Is that just been thrown there?
Yeah, it's just been discarded there, hasn't it?
Just discarded. Don't care. Let's just sling it there.
Is that a reception they've got?
Mitsubishi. I did see a guy up on the roof, but I can't see him now. A couple of people down there. Let's have a little zoom in. Not a bad zoom on this. I can hear someone shouting, but I don't think it's at us.
No, that's down the far end, I think that.
Oh yeah, someone's jogging.
Yeah, I've got some people in the window down there who are looking straight at us.
Oh, are there? Ah, hello everybody. Hi. Not going to wave back. Oh, that's a bit disrespectful.
We're not here for any nefarious reasons or anything like that.
No.
Here to enjoy the scenery, admire the structure of the building.
Yeah. How old do you think this place is? 10, 15 years? Can't be much older than that, surely.
Yeah, I reckon the building is quite old. I think it's older than what it looks. I think what's happened is at some point in the not too distant past, they probably put like the big metal grey shell around.
Oh yeah. And the walkways look fairly modern.
Yeah.
So they'll probably just fix them in. Everything seems to be on stilts around here, obviously because of the flooding.
It's probably a good plan for them.
Yeah, maybe so. Oh yeah.
There's a car coming, so I know that's going
Well,
the other
he's
direction.
changed his mind. That's fine.
He's coming this way. No, he's gone the other way. So the other day I was on an audit,
Yeah.
and they had a speed limit of 3 miles per hour.
3.
So I was thinking that's a bit random. Normally you get 5 or 10.
Yeah, but have you seen this one?
This one is even more random. This one is 9.5 miles per hour.
9.5. Yeah, a bit crazy.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen a speed limit with a decimal point in it.
No. And would most cars have that? Even old cars wouldn't have that. Modern cars, no. I've got a modern car. Mine's no decimal places on it.
I mean, how do you set your speed limiter to that?
Yeah, it's only 1 decimal at a time.
Is that cruise control to 9.5?
No, I don't think it works sometimes that low down. Not unless you've got what is it, snail mode.
Yeah, it looks like that's the utility room just back there behind the blue smoking shelter. You've got the gas and the water, cock and stuff.
Oh yeah. I see that now. I didn't notice that before.
Loads of CCTV here as well.
Yeah. I mean, we've got a fair bit of fungus on that roof there.
Yeah.
On this little hut outside. There's pipes going in down the side, so I would imagine that's some sort of
like
maybe substation or something, possibly.
You've got the trio then, you've got the electric, the gas and the water.
All near the river. So they've got the canal on the left and they've got the river on the right. So I don't know what they're mostly under threat by.
You'd think of all the things to have not on stilts around here is the electric substation.
Yeah, and this is in a bit of a low cut down area. In fact, I would imagine the lowest point in this building is probably about 3 foot beneath canal level.
In fact, just beyond, just on the boundary, on the canal side there, there's an interesting crossing. Which, whenever the water level gets so high, all the water spills out of the canal and down into a gully. I think when we're finished here,
we'll have a look at
that way and add it on to the end of the...
I think it feeds into the river that runs round the side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's just have a quick look over this side.
It might be what feeds this little stream down here.
Yeah. Well, there's a guy just coming out now. He's moving his vehicle. So we'll just get on pavement. We're a bit safer here. He's coming out a bit nippy. I don't think that's 9.5. Hello.
That wasn't 9.5 miles an hour.
Pardon?
That wasn't 9.5.
9.5? It's a bit random, is that number, isn't it?
Can I see what you're filming, please?
Yeah, the speed limit there, 9.5 miles per hour.
No, we're just filming the buildings along here. A lot of them are on stilts, and yours are in some sort of thing. It's interesting with all the rivers and the canal. And we're just having a quick look round, really.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah, and we're going to put a drone up shortly and have a look from above.
Just have a look at local areas, different industry and things like that. And
It's interesting.
With the drone, get some aerial footage.
We've got some lovely countryside round here.
Filming because you still have the mass on and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold as well. It's cold.
Because of some of the work that we involved in.
Right.
Yeah, we're not nothing nefarious, honestly.
I do have a question for you. Obviously, we've had a look at the website just to try and get an idea of what you do as a business. So I know like plastics, design and stuff like that. You probably didn't go into any more detail than that. Are you able to tell me a little bit about what you do here?
Is it extruders? Do you use extruders and pellets?
No.
No. Okay then.
No, there's no manufacturing of plastic.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Thank you for answering us that.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Have a good day.
Thank you. Goodbye. So this is probably just warehouse, and with it being plastic, I suppose there's less risk of floods.
Yeah.
He were nice enough. He wasn't doing 9.5 as you told him.
That definitely wasn't 9.5.
He will do next time.
Well,
But,
yeah, I guess if this is storage for plastics, if it does flood, nothing's really going to sink. It's
No. When they open the door, it'll come past and water floating past. Right, shall we put the drones up and have a quick look then, do you think?
Yeah, definitely. There's not too much to see here, so yeah, let's go.
Yeah, we'll probably get a better look from above. I'm interested where that river goes down the back, how close it is to the building. So let's have a look then.
Absolutely.
We'll come back to you guys.
We'll come back from the sky.
Yeah, bye.